Zora. She's been flipping through this book, just literally flipping through it now for a good 5 minutes. There's a swan. It's a wonderful book. It's got letters. It's very phonic with lots of different animals and different types of pronunciations. It's got word endings, word beginnings. It's got Thai and English. It's kind of just fun to flip through the pages and occasionally stop on one randomly. Oh, there's your alligator, your anteater, your bear, your buffalo, and your angelfish, all on one page, or opposite page. Do you want me to help you hold one open, or do you want to do it yourself? Okay. And then we turn, there's the bees. You can, oh, yeah, that's a bear. Okay. What's that? Oh, that's the G page. You got a gibbon, a gecko, a giraffe, and a gerbil. Okay, you can turn it yourself. I'm not going to stop you. There you go. Oh, the W page. The worm, the whale, the wombat. And there's the ending alphabet page. And we're finished. You want to start again? Okay. You want to read from the middle, huh? Wow, you can read upside down and inside out. Amazing. Oh, okay. Lots of lovely animals. There's the word endings. Panda, lamb, peacock, crab. Different middle or ending sounds of the letters. Cockroach, coyote, wolf, caterpillar, yak, zebra, Yorkshire Terrier. Wow, they really had to go a long way to get that Y. There's that beginning page again. Probably the most oft-looked at page in the whole book. Oh, the vampire, the vulture, the umbrella bird. Okay, switching books. Really? Would you like to do some physical exercise now? Is it time for phys ed?